Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this beginner-friendly tutorial, I will show you how to send money using MoneyGram in 2026, step by step, whether you're sending locally or internationally. By the end, you will know exactly how to send money quickly, safely, and with the lowest hassle. Let's get started. Step 1, choose how you want to send. Inside MoneyGram, I'm gonna go ahead and sign in using my account. Right. With MoneyGram, you have three main options, right? Online, mobile app, in person, right? So let me verify here my email. Go ahead and log in. Yeah. So online, fast and convenient. You can pay with card or bank. If you're using mobile app, you can send directly from your phone. If in person, you can visit a MoneyGram agent location. For beginners, choose an online or app because it's easiest. Step 2, create or log in using your account. If sending online, sign up on MoneyGram, enter full name, email, phone number. Make sure your details match your ID. Now, all I gotta do is just start a transfer. So I'm gonna hit send here, right? Send money online. Right? Now all I gotta do is select my destination. Enter the destination country and the amount. Let's say UAE, Emirates. Okay, and I'm gonna send, let's say, 500. They're gonna receive 194.15, and I'm gonna hit get started. You'll instantly see fees and exchange rates. Hit get started. Now choose the delivery method, right? So I'm gonna log in again. I don't know what's. They keep doing that over and over again. So I'm gonna okay. This is the code. Put in the code. Wait for a few moments here. Yeah, I'm inside. Great. Now into the amount that you want to send, and this is the exchange rate, basically. Here, the exchange rate, excuse me, and they're gonna receive, and how much they're gonna receive. And now you're gonna select how you want to pay, right? Debit card, credit card, online bank transfer, and how they receive it. You want them to receive it in person? You're gonna just choose cash pickup. If you want them to receive it online, you can just select direct to bank account. Right? So, yeah, mobile wallet, you can send it to a wallet app in off an instant. Cash pickup is fastest and simplest. And of course, you're gonna enter. Once you hit continue, you get into the receiver information. Add full name, first name, middle name, last name, second last name, and IBAN. Double check spelling. Errors can cause delays. So now, once you choose that payment method, right, you can pay using debit or credit card, fastest, bank transfer, which is cheaper, cash if in person. Choose based on speed versus cost. And continue, right? Review fees and exchange rate. You can see the payment information here, which takes us to the next step. Okay. Before confirming, check total fee, check exchange rate, confirm final amount received. Always review to avoid surprises. And then hit review and send. Your transfer is now processing. They're gonna send you MoneyGram. They're gonna send you a reference number after sending. You receive like an MTCM. Send this to the receiver. Right? They needed to collect the money in person or, in person, if possible. And then track your transfer. Use MoneyGram here to track the transfer. Right? Enter your reference number and check status. You can hit track your money. You will know when it's ready. And the receiver collects the money now afterwards. Depending on the method, if it's a cash pickup, they can visit a MoneyGram agent, show ID, provide MTCM. Bank deposit, the money goes directly to account. So if you want to know speed, cash pickup takes minutes, bank transfer takes 1 to 3 days, mobile wallet often instant. So fees really depend on country, amount, payment method. There is no upfront fees, right? Depending on the currency and how you want to pay. Card is faster, bank is cheaper, in person with fees. Security tips: only send to trusted people. Never share MTCN publicly. Double check receiver name. Keep your receipt. Avoid wrong receiver name, sending to wrong country, ignoring fees, losing MTCN, emphasis on losing MTCN, waiting too long to fix errors. So just to rewind one last time, open on MoneyGram, enter amount, add receiver, pay, and share MTCN. Done. Sending money with MoneyGram in 2026 is simple, fast, and reliable once you understand the process. Whether it's for family, friends, or business, it's one of the easiest ways to transfer money worldwide. Focus on accuracy, security, choosing the right method. That's how you send money without problems. So consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you.